TS diving here, June 13th. We forgot the boat's name, honestly. Here out on D-Dock at the very end. I am here doing an inspection of the maintenance cleaning we just did and doing a touch-up on the waterline. There were some areas that there was concern about still being a little bit of green left. Hit the whole surface line again, and then I've got some little spots, some green. Got that all cleaned up for you. I think this might have been what you were talking about with Dane. And if it is, I got that. So, got a line hanging in the water. And a little bit back here. Oh, detailed. Shit, come off there. She ain't looking too bad. I'll take a quick swim across the hole. I already took a look at it, but she looks pretty good.